How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the alpha lock in Krita. So basically, an alpha lock is when you want to use the same aspects or property in the same layer. So let me just go ahead and demonstrate. Let's say that I'm going to paint this particular color on my paint layer right here. So let's use this brush. Maybe let's use something bigger, which is going to be this one. And basically from there, it's going to be extremely simple. Let me just go ahead and finish up with my paint layer right here. And right after that, I'm going to use a wood texture in order to put it in the same layer with my paint layer. So let's select this one, right click on it, click on copy image. And then from here, let's press Ctrl V, download from the remote source, click on yes, and then it will show up on my page. So I'm just going to adjust this accordingly. Let's do it this way. And same thing with the layer one. And now that they're all lined up, what I'm going to do is to basically select both of the layer together, right click on it, click on group in order to simply group this two layers together. And now we are going to use the alpha lock button, which is going to be this one. So just click on it. And as you can see, it will apply the picture layer to my paint layer. And then I could do something like adding texture on this particular paint that I have. So it's that simple. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.